Students, I'm back with new story, the new version. Class 12, name of the topic, Cock and the Anthem, written by O. Henry. This is a story of lazy boy. His name is Soapy. He's just 20 years old. He did not have shelter, did not have proper clothes to wear, did not have money, nothing. The story starts with change of season. Winter arrives. And Soapy started thinking, I don't have money, I don't have anything, no food, no earnings, nothing. How can I stay? How can I survive in the winter season? 3 to 4 months I have to survive. How can I? Then something stuck in his head. He had some series of 4-5 sequences. He decided, he's talking to himself. If I go to the jail, then, jail? Yes, this is the best idea. If I go to the jail, then what will happen? I can spend my 3 months over there. And I will get food, I'll get shelter, I'll get everything. Even winter clothes, woolen clothes also I'll get. Yes, this is the best idea to spend the whole winter in the jail. Accordingly, he planned something. He had 4 to 5 tricks. But this was pre-planned that he will not do any criminal offense. He just wanted 3 to 4 months jail. That's it. So, he started plan number 1. He went to a lavish 5-star restaurant and entered inside. Waiter saw him. He was head waiter, chief waiter. He saw him. Now the conversation started between them. Waiter said, "Who are you?" Now Soapy answered, "Don't you know I'm your customer? You have to give a service." "Of course you have to give. I will sit here. I want to eat food. You have to serve me." Now waiter started looking at him. "No, you cannot come inside. I'm extremely sorry. You cannot come. Look at your clothes." "No, I'm sorry. You cannot come inside." And this waiter literally threw Henry out of the restaurant. So, the plan number 1 was failed. Let me tell you what was his plan. The plan was, he wanted to go to one 5-star restaurant, wanted to eat lots of stuffed food, and he did not want to pay the bill, so that waiter would catch him and send him to the police. Obviously, he will be imprisoned at least for 2 to 3 months because he was not going to pay money. But the plan was flop. But Soapy had another plan, plan number 2 in his kitty. He came outside and he saw a big showroom. That showroom was a completely glass showroom. Soapy took a stone and threw that on the showroom. Crash! The loud sound came and the glass just broken. The glass was just broken. The shop owner came outside. What happened? What happened? Then he saw, oh, the whole glass is broken. Who did this? He started searching here and there. Actually, Soapy was there only, but he was looking here and there. Then he called the police. He called the police and asked him, catch the person who has done this. Just see. Police also started looking here and there. Finally, Soapy went over there and Soapy told, I have done this. Please arrest me. But policemen started looking at him. Now the conversation between policeman and Soapy. Have a look. Why should I arrest you? Now Soapy said, I have done this. I threw the stone over here, so this glass is broken. Now police said, no, it's impossible. How can you say that? Soapy questioned him. Now police say, see, I have experience. The person who commits any mistake, he does not stay there. He just runs away. This is the simplest philosophy, right? If any person does any mistakes or commits any mistake purposely, he will not stay there, he will run away. This is the common sense. So on this basis, the policeman told that, no, you have not done this. So plan number 2 was also flop. But Soapy had plan number 3 in his hand. Now Soapy went to one bus stop and he started singing the songs, whistling. He saw one girl who was just of his age. He started teasing her. So his plan was to tease her so that she will start shouting, and then the policeman will come and he will catch him. This was his plan. So according to his plan, he started teasing that girl. But the funny thing is that the girl also started teasing him, and they started teasing each other. At that time, the policeman came. One man was standing beside them. Man complained at policeman, you see what those boys and girls are doing, just arrest them. Policeman said, don't worry, these are just college boys and girls and they will not harm you. Don't worry about it, they are not going to harm you. See, this is their age, let them enjoy. And I think these two are friends, let them enjoy their life. I guarantee you that they will not harm you. Okay, the man said, okay, I'm not going to complain. So the man stopped there only. Again, this plan number 3 was also failed. But the Soapy had one more plan, that is plan number 4. He just went ahead. He saw one newspaper shop. One person was buying newspaper over there. Soapy went there. Soapy saw his umbrella. Soapy snatched away the umbrella from him and started running. That man also started running behind him. Finally, Soapy purposely slowed down the speed because, yeah, you must have guessed what was his plan. Correct. That Soapy wanted that this man would complain to policeman and I will be in the jail. Yeah, I can enjoy 3 months and the winter will get over. Then I can come. This was his plan. Now what happened? This man, the conversation between this man and Soapy. Have a look. This is my umbrella. Soapy said, no, it's my umbrella. How can you say that this is mine? No, this is my umbrella. Now the man said, no. Then Soapy finally said, okay, if you think that this is your umbrella, do one thing. Go and complain that policeman. See, he's standing there only. Just go over there. Now, one more twist happened. This man was himself a robber and he had committed a crime also. So he feared because he knew that if I go to the police will certainly recognize me and he had to go to jail. So he left that umbrella over there only and he said, Soapy, okay, this is your umbrella. And then he went. Again, this plan was also a flop plan. In short, all the attempts were in vain. Now Soapy was so sad because he did not have any option. Slowly he was walking and came in front of one church. He sat on the bench. He always used to do that because he liked that church very much. So he sat over there and started thinking, I should not do this. Rather, I would work hard and I will get money, I will earn money, I will get my clothes, I will get my food as well as shelter. Why should I do this such type of tricks and just to go to jail? No, I will not do this. Because of this church appearance, the music in the church, everything changed now. And he was in enthusiasm that yes, I'm going to work hard. Now Soapy was thinking this he was in a josh. You can say he was in a josh. Suddenly, somebody tapped him. Soapy looked back. Same policeman. Policeman asked him, what are you doing here? I'm just sitting. No, you're not allowed to sit because this bench is not for outsiders. But sir, I was thinking something. No, but still rule is rule. You're not allowed to sit. That's it. Then Soapy started arguing with that policeman. And finally, what happened? The policeman caught him. He arrested him. And now Soapy was in the jail. The policeman filed a case on him and he was imprisoned for 3 months. Surprise? Just think about it. When Soapy wanted to get arrested, he could not. And now the situation was changed. Soapy wanted to work hard, but now he was in the jail. The story ends on this note. Students, moral of the story एक हिंदी में बताती हूँ. जो हम अक्सर सोचते हैं वैसे होता नहीं है और जो हम नहीं सोचते हैं वो हो जाता है. ठीक सिर्फ ऐसा ही कुछ सोपी के बारे में हुआ. शायद आपके बारे में भी हुआ होगा. कैसी लगी स्टोरी? The story is difficult version in the textbook. I have simplified it in my own way. I think it's the simplest version. You understood? Yes, you have to. Like me, share me, subscribe me and mask up.